Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with Fidelity investments. You're on the Rome Tips channel, and in this video, we're diving into Fidelity investments. Find the link to their platform down in the description. Fidelity has built a solid reputation as a leading brokerage firm, catering to a wide spectrum of investors, from beginners taking their first steps to seasoned traders with years of experience. They've earned recognition for several key strengths: their competitive low fees, a robust and efficient trading platform, and consistently excellent customer service. This combination makes Fidelity a compelling choice for investors of all levels. One of Fidelity's biggest draws is commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. This makes it a remarkably cost-effective option in the current brokerage landscape. Beyond that, Fidelity provides access to a diversified portfolio of investment products, encompassing mutual funds, bonds, and various retirement accounts, including IRAs. The platform itself is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its clean, intuitive interface streamlines the trading process, making it easily navigable even for those new to investing. For added convenience, Fidelity offers a robust mobile app. This empowers you to manage your investments on the go, with features like real-time quotes, customizable alerts, and full trading capabilities. For the more experienced trader, Fidelity offers Active Trader Pro, a powerful platform packed with advanced features. It includes sophisticated charting tools, highly customizable workspaces, and access to real-time market data, giving you the edge you need. This platform is specifically tailored for those who require in-depth analytical tools and demand swift trade execution. Fidelity's commitment to education and research also shines through. They provide a wealth of resources, from comprehensive market analysis to informative articles and webinars. These resources are invaluable for investors looking to deepen their understanding of the markets and refine their strategies. A significant advantage of Fidelity is its outstanding customer service. Available 24/7 via phone, chat, and email, their support team is readily available to assist you whenever a question or issue arises. Fidelity also excels in the area of retirement planning, offering a variety of retirement accounts with competitive fees and helpful planning tools. While Fidelity generally boasts low fees, especially for mutual fund trades, it's worth noting that certain specific transactions, such as broker-assisted trades, may incur additional charges. In conclusion, Fidelity Investments delivers a robust and well-rounded investment experience. It's a reliable and versatile platform suitable for both newcomers to the market and seasoned traders alike. For a closer look, be sure to click the link in the description below.